Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at these MIWISE LED lights. Here is the Amazon listing right here. I actually don't know where the box went for them, but I installed these on my bed the other day, or under my bed rather, the other day. They've actually been in here for quite a while. I just haven't been able to make the video yet, but they are very, very bright LED light strips. I'll try to show them to you there. I'm using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so it's got a gimbal on it, so it's kind of hard to get it to go upside down like that, but very, very bright LED lights. They do run around the whole length of my bed, and ignore the carpet. It is being replaced in the next week, so it's a little bit dirty, but like I said, it is old and being replaced next week, so no need to comment there about my floor. These do have a remote, and they do have a little control on the cable for limited controls, but I have it set up here. It actually works with my Google Home app, so I do have them in Google Home. You can see we can turn them off here, and they were totally working right before I started this video, and I've never had an issue with them before, so I don't know why they're not changing now. But let me see here. We'll try to let me close my Google Home app and try that again. It might just be the Home app. Well, like I said, that's probably on me. But they were working just fine. I just turned them on with the app. Oh, there they go. Might have been my connection there for a second, but so there they go. They work with the Google Home app. We can change the colors and everything like that. And they also do, if you have a Home Assistant server like I do, you can get them to pair with iOS and use them in the Home app. So pretty nice there. But you can do all your colors and color temperature and everything like that right here in the app. And as you can see there, they changed to the reddish pink that I just put them on. And like I said, you can change the color temperature and all that kind of stuff. My Google Home app is kind of not responding right now. I don't know why. Like I said, I've never had an issue with these lights working before until I literally went to record them, and then now the Home app doesn't want to seem to work. So I'm not too sure what is going on there. But nonetheless, they do work with the Home app. They do have a physical infrared remote as well if you need to control them that way without using the internet. But you can control them anywhere and add them in the Google Home app with their integration, no problem. So I'll leave a link down below to the Amazon storefront where you can pick these up. Very, very nice. I wouldn't recommend putting them on a bed like this. They work just fine, but this is like a fabric material right here. So they do get a little bit warm and tend to want to kind of fall down a little bit. Not the light's fault, like I said. I didn't really have a place to put these. I didn't want to put them on the wall, and it looks like the Home app has decided to start responding again, so we'll turn them back on. There we go. I don't want to put them on the wall. So they're down there. And I kind of just taped them up where they went around the corner here because I didn't want them to fall down because they have to bend around the corners. But other than that, they've been just fine. So I'll leave a link down below, and you can pick these up on Amazon. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.